Today I am making underground 100 TNT blast in Minecraft. It can reach bad rock. If we hit 500 likes, I'm doing 1000 TNT next. Which block should I blow up next, bedrock or obsidian?